Hello friends, I am Patrick Dominguez, and in this video you'll be shown how to run Windows 11 in Oracle VirtualBox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please do me a favor and click on that like and subscribe button. I'll also have a link to this tutorial in the description below, so if you'd like to follow along, go ahead and click on that link. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is go to Oracle's VirtualBox website. You can go to virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. I'll also have that link in the description. Since I'm running a Windows computer, well, I'm going to click on Windows Host. Once that's downloaded, go ahead and open it up. We will just follow the wizard. On this window, we can just click Next. We can leave everything selected there. Go ahead and click Next. Leave everything the same here as well. Click Next. And then click Yes to proceed. Accept the install, and the installation process will begin. Once this is finished installing, go ahead and make sure that the check mark is selected and click on Finish. The software will open up for us. And great, so here we go. It's Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Now let's go ahead and go to my website here. There's an article on how to download Windows 11. You can either use high drive or a OneDrive account to download the Windows 11 ISO if you do not have it. Alright, let's minimize that and go back to VirtualBox. Click on New, Windows 11 Test. Since this is just a test virtual machine, I'm just going to be calling that as a personal preference. Click on version and select Windows 10 64. Click Next. 2 gigs of RAM will do. It will meet the requirements. Click Next. Click Create. The hard drive file type, VDI, is perfectly fine. Click Next. We're going to use dynamically allocated. This will use the most minimal amount of hard drive space and expand in data usage as it's being used. So here 50 gigs is fine. It's just a test. We don't need to add more than what we need. Click Create. Okay, so our Windows 11 test machine is done. There's one more thing I'd like to do, and that's increase the CPU cores, right? So we'll click on Settings, click on System, click on Processor, and I am going to give it 4 cores because I want this installation to run pretty quickly and have the best experience. So I'm going to click OK there. Awesome. Go ahead and click on Settings again. Then click on Storage. Find your little CD drive there. And here we're going to click on the little CD icon. And we're going to choose a disk file. Here you can select the Windows 11 ISO if you downloaded it already. Click on Open. And click OK. Now you can click Start. Let's reset. Now it should boot up from the ISO. Now the installation process is very similar to Windows 10. So once you're in here, click on next, then click install. I don't have a product key at the moment, so we're just going to be skipping this. I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro, but they do have many different editions here. And click next. Accept the terms and click next. Click custom install. Select your storage, and then click next. This will automatically allocate and partition your drive as needed. Now it's going to go through the installation process. Once it's finished, it's going to do a reboot. And now Windows 11 is loading for the first time. Alright, so it's telling me to just wait a moment. And I'm trying to patiently do that. And if you don't have an SSD hard drive like I do, I am so sorry. Alright, awesome. Alright, so that's pretty neat, right? Which country am I in? United States? This is the correct keyboard layout. Do you want to add a second? No, thank you. We're setting this up for personal use. Now, if you have a Microsoft Office account, you can sign in using your email. I am just going to create a local account, so I am going to click sign in options and create an offline account. Afterwards, click limited experience for the offline account. I'm going to type in my name here. This will be my account. I'm going to type in a password. And click next. Confirm that password. Click next. Security questions. I don't really care here because this is just a test. Sure, let's go ahead and accept all the privacy settings there. Now I like this Windows 11 wizard. It's actually pretty fun. I like the little animations that it has. And it seems more user friendly than Windows 10. So I'm hoping that, these new users will find this wizard easier whenever they're first logging in or creating their account. Alright, so this is telling us it may take a few minutes. Almost there. Awesome. Alright, so we're finished here. This is the new start menu. That's what we're looking at. It's actually going through the process. It's going to install more applications here. But I'll leave it up to you to poke and prod, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for following along.